Hi, my lovely Aquarians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate at all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if at all it's your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, I was connecting to there were a couple of energies basically. For some of you guys, some things are going to end very soon. Okay. By the way, when I started pre-shuffling for you guys, all of a sudden I felt a very I can't let me try to explain. I felt very overwhelmed and a little misty eyed. Okay, the energy was very overwhelming. So I was connecting to someone who is very anxious, who is a little edgy, overwhelmed. Okay, too many things happening for someone. Okay, you guys could be amidst some conflict. Okay, and whatever this conflicting situation is, the angels want you to know that it's going to get over soon, probably within a couple of more weeks. Okay, the situation is going to improve. You have no need to worry. Do not worry about anything. That's what the angels were saying. Also, the angels are asking you to seek help. Okay, seek help from the right people. Okay, don't shy away from asking for help. Okay, that's what the message was coming through. Also, for some of you guys, there's going to be a new job opportunity. I saw Ace of Pentacles quite a lot of times. Okay, some of you guys are going to meet your soulmate. Okay, soulmate, twin flame, whatever you want to call it. But I saw Two of Cups, and I saw which divine counterpart pair was it? Yeah, it was King and Queen of Cups. Okay, so it was a very kind of emotional energy. Guys, give me a second, please. Sorry about that. I thought my doorbell rang for some reasons. Anyway, yeah, so some of you guys are definitely going to meet his or her soulmate. Okay, I saw Sun card a couple of times. Okay, Sun and Devil. So whatever toxicity that you guys are going through, whatever negative situation that you are going through, the things are going to clear up for you. The clouds are going to definitely clear up for you guys. Okay, I also feel that some of you, someone could be stalking you, or you could be stalking someone. Okay, big time. I saw Page of Swords energy. So and that was really Page of Swords and the Devil card, the Capricorn energy. It actually told me about some stalking going on over here. Okay, there was something else. Okay, let me yeah, some of you guys definitely have some travel plans. Okay, you guys could be planning or deciding to travel somewhere, but it's not yet final, or the plan is not finalized yet, but travel is definitely on cards for some of you guys. Also, yeah, for people who are in some conflict, make sure that you're communicating your points clearly without any ambiguity. Okay, do not shy away from calling a spade a spade. Make sure whatever it is, the point is communicated clearly to another party. Be assertive, however, do not be rude. Okay, but make sure you are being assertive and communicating. Some of you guys are going to either lend or borrow money from someone. Okay, there was Six of Pentacles that was showing up heavily. Okay, so handshake, or rather exchange of currency. Okay, money is what I saw very clearly. Either you are going to lend money to someone, or you're going to borrow money from someone. Okay, this was coming through very strongly. So yeah, with that guys, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys in the main month. Okay, yeah, Knight of Swords. Yes, definitely. Strength card is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, wow. Oh my god, lot of major arcanas, lot of major churn happening in your life, guys. Some karmic events unfolding over here is what I'm seeing clearly. By the way, that has been the theme for many signs. Okay, lot of karmic churn happening in many sun signs. Okay, many, not sun signs, many signs is what I meant. Okay, let me quickly check the cards. I think we are good enough. Let's get started, guys. In your recent past, I see Knight of Swords and there is 10 of swords. So there could be something that has happened in your recent past, and some sudden movement, some sudden action, some sudden change of energies, and it has led to some bitter or some painful endings. Okay, I think you could have taken some action, like some corrective steps which could have led to this ending, and I do not see that this is bad, or this is not right event for you. Okay, this is what was needed. Okay, this action was precisely what was needed. This ending was what you needed. Okay, because whatever it was, it was not serving you well. Okay, it was not for your highest good. So best thing was to put it an end to it. Okay, I see a lot of toxicity coming through. I saw there is a 7 of swords somewhere over here, which is actually not giving me a very good vibe. Okay, so yeah, there you go. This is giving me definitely sneaky vibe. And see, 5 of swords, this is what was 9 of swords. Oh my god, oh my god, someone, oh my god, so many swords, guys. There is 7, only 6 is missing over here. 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 9. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, strong air energy, guys. Strong air energy dominating this this reading. Okay, so you could have a strong air in your birth chart, in your other placements as well, or there could be someone who is having air in their birth chart. Okay, the person that you're dealing with. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, please check out the other readings as well if you have air in your other placements. So yeah, so something definitely has come to an end for you guys, and yeah, this this ending is, it has definitely caused a lot of chaos in your life. Okay, that's what I can I can say very, very confidently. Okay, it's kind of ruffled your life is what I'm seeing over here. For some of you guys, there could be in the current energy, I'm saying there could be someone who wants to marry you, or you wanting to marry someone. Okay, you guys could be from different caste and community, different cultural backgrounds. There could be age gap also between you two, because this is High Priest. Okay, and that is Hierophant, and this is Knight of Cups. Knight is a very, very young energy, very, very young energy. Someone who could be in their late 20s, okay, or mid 20s. But the Hierophant is a mature energy. Okay, someone who has seen world, someone who is wise in terms of worldly matters. Okay, who has a lot of experience. Okay, but yes, someone out here is definitely wanting to marry you, or you wanting to start a committed life with someone else. Okay, Taurus energy coming through very, very strongly. You guys are going to probably take action in this direction very soon. Okay, the 10 of swords is followed by Knight of Cups. Once you're done with this past energy, whatever this ending is, this energy, this new energy is going to come and flow into your life. Or if you're this knight, okay, you will take this next step forward. Okay, that's what I'm seeing very, very clearly over here. Foundational difference between you two guys. You two guys might also be having difference in your psyches. Okay, in your mentalities, you could be exactly opposite to each other is what I'm saying. One is a very rational and grounded energy, one is very emotional energy. Okay, earth and water elements coming together over here is what I'm seeing. Okay, Yeah, in your immediate future, I see the World card and there is Eight of Pentacles. Some of you guys are definitely working hard when it comes to your career goals, okay? Because there is Three of Pentacles, there is Ten of Pentacles. You guys could be manifesting a lot of money, okay? Lot of money coming your way is what I'm saying, guys. Consciously, subconsciously, okay? For some of you guys, there is definitely a karmic event happening. This closure, this Ten of Wands and this World card seems similar to me, or one energy to me. Some major event or a cycle of your life is coming to completion over here, okay? For some of you guys who are getting into relationship, you could have met online through web, internet, or through a matrimony site, okay? That could also be the case. You could have also come across this person at your workplace is also what I'm saying, okay? There is I'm not saying that is the case, but the possibility is very high, okay? Some of you guys might get an opportunity to travel abroad for work purposes, okay? Like on-site opportunity, or you're going to you're going to visit some other country for your work purposes, what I'm getting over here, okay? Definitely travel is there on cards for you guys. You guys are definitely going to marry a rich person is what I'm saying. I had seen similar energy for Sagittarius also, okay? This precise this combination, either you or the partner that you're connecting with is quite rich is what I'm saying, okay? Either ways the money is going to flow to you. You guys could also crack a property deal, buy and sell of property, which in turn could bring you a lot of money. That's also what I'm seeing. You guys could be working in a team of 3 people, okay? Number 3 is significant over here, but you could be collaborating with different with people with different skill sets over here, guys. Like one is good at coding, for example. One is good at the business side of things, okay? One is good in communication. So likewise, I'm just giving lame examples, but the point being, you are communicating and collaborating with people with different skill sets on this project, okay? And you have chosen people for this project, and you are now working as one team, okay? That's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Everyone is working very hard on this project, whatever it is. It's a kind of flagship kind of a project for some of you guys. If it's a business that you are working on, business idea that you are working on, I'm sure you have invested heavily into this, and it's going to reap you the desired results is what I'm getting, guys. I saw Ace of Pentacles also, though it has not shown up in your main reading. A lot of money is going to come your way in upcoming weeks or months, okay? That's for sure. You guys are definitely manifesting big happy changes. You're not realizing it right now, probably you're not doing it consciously is what I'm seeing, guys. It is subconsciously that you're doing this whatever this hard work that you're putting in, it's definitely going to bear the results that you are desiring, okay? Your desire is very strong over here. Magician card also tells me to be mindful, okay? Be very careful about what you're thinking. Be careful about your thoughts, okay? Do not have any negative self talks, okay? The way positive things manifest, so do negative stuff also. So do negative stuff. So please be very, very mindful of your thoughts. Also be a little careful about manipulation. Someone could be a little manipulative around you, sweet talk you into doing certain things. So just be a little careful and vigilant over here, okay? That's the kind of message that is coming through for you guys. Well, let's pull some another message or additional message from this beautiful deck, guys. Expect powerful change, and the answers that you need are coming. So guys, this card was showing up while pre-shuffling also, okay? So yes, like I said, for some of you guys, there is going to be some long pending issue, some long pending event is going to come to an end for some of you guys. It's going to come to a closure. So whatever answers that you were seeking, whatever resolution that you were looking for, that is going to come through very, very soon, and full moon in Gemini card, by the way, again air energy. Expect powerful change. Of course, this Knight of Swords is a sudden energy, okay? It's a sudden energy. The World card is talking about karmic events, so definitely some karmic shift is going to happen in your life. Some chapter closing for you guys, major chapter, some karmic debts paid over here, and it will also lead, or it will also be followed by new beginnings, okay? So do expect powerful changes. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, because yeah, this way energy is coming through very, very strongly. So in whichever aspect of life it is resonating with you. Let's quickly pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. There's something better within next few months. Wow, what a beautiful message this is, guys. It's a very clear indicator that the angels do not want you to get carried away and chase or pursue wrong things, okay? Do not settle for less, basically, okay? Do not settle for less. Whatever you are looking for, whatever you have been waiting for so long, so patiently, you're going to get that. So just believe in the divine timing, believe in the working of the universe and things getting in your favor, and just have faith, guys. Within next few months you are definitely going to see the change, okay? That's coming through very, very strongly, and I can feel it energetically also, okay? Things are definitely going to progress in a headstrong manner for you guys within next few months. And guys, tarot is always about the energy that spans for a couple of weeks, months, or even a year in terms of major changes, life changes, okay? So do let me know whatever happens to you in the next few months. If at all anything major happens and you remember about this reading, please do come back and drop comment and let me know about it, okay? I am really, really curious to know what it is for you guys. So let's quickly pull some charms and conclude the reading. Okay, 3 have come just. All right. Namaste. Well, this charm is very nice, it always makes me feel humble, okay? It makes me, or gives me the energy of bowing down, okay? You should sometimes bow down to universe, you should sometimes bow down to the divine timing, to the higher energies, okay? And just surrender. There is no point trying to exercise control over things which actually are not in our control, okay? So just bow down, surrender your ego, and just let things happen, or take action, or take the natural course of action, okay? So that is what this namaste is telling me about. Very, very beautiful charm, guys, and definitely making sense considering the energies that you have. And initials E and H, if at all they mean anything to you, person, place, thing, any incident that they are striking chord, when I'm changing the position, it is coming out to be he, okay? And this tells me that believe in him, okay? Believe in the supreme power, guys. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly from this charm, okay? And trust the process and trust the divine, okay? That's what I'm getting very, very strongly for you guys. So Aquas, I leave it at that, and I hope this made sense, and I hope this resonated with you. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Take care. Bye.